Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned collard greens taste better. Start by draining and rinsing your canned collard greens very well. This removes extra salt and improves texture. Next, in a large pot, sauté 1 small chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. This creates a delicious aromatic foundation. Then, introduce about 4 ounces of diced smoked turkey or ham hock to the pot, allowing it to brown slightly for a deeper, more complex flavor. To truly elevate the taste, add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Its acidity brightens the greens beautifully. For a gentle kick, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This provides a pleasant warmth without being overpowering. Finally, a small amount of sugar, perhaps 1 teaspoon, helps to balance any bitterness, creating a more harmonious and appealing flavor profile for your collard greens. Now, pour in about 2 cups of low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth. This liquid is crucial for infusing the greens with more flavor as they cook. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a little more salt and freshly ground black pepper if desired. Your enhanced collard greens are now ready to enjoy. Serve them piping hot as a comforting and flavorful side dish. For an extra burst of flavor, consider a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a fresh squeeze of lemon juice just before serving. These greens pair wonderfully with classic Southern cornbread or alongside roasted chicken or pork, making for a truly satisfying and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.